Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing things different. Here I have a whole chicken and I'm about to show you how we cuts it up. So first let's start off with a sharp knife. You need a sharp knife, right? And here hubby is going in. So at first I guess he's just making a slit right there so he can show you. So bust the skin so that he can show you exactly, go into it up close and personal to show you exactly what is going on. So you need to get into the joint, right? You need to get the knife to a nice place right there between the bone so that it can just cut off so easily. And he's cutting it in a way so that he doesn't cut it where the chicken back is attached to the thigh, if you get what I'm saying. Because you know sometimes you can cut the thigh right there, the leg quarter, and the back of the chicken, a part of the chicken back is on the thigh. He doesn't do it that way. I do it that way sometimes though. But yeah, so one thigh down, another one, and that one, see how easily that one came off because he did the other one basically slow enough so you could see it. So yeah, now we are going in for the wings. So boom bam bam, just like that. You want to get, as I say, the trick or not a trick, just the way to get this done just so easily other than having a sharp knife is to make sure that you go into the joint right there. There's just a little comfort part right there. Just goes a boom bam and it cut clean off so easily. But yeah, so another wing, and then now we have the breast and the back. That's the chicken back right there, right? So he's just going to cut off that part right there. So you know you can go to the shop and you can get chicken back by itself. I'm not sure about that over here. Well, not in the supermarket. Maybe at one of those those meat shops, right? But yes, he's cutting off the chicken back so that you have the chicken back all by itself and all for itself. So right down there, that's where the chicken bottom is, right? So yeah, just go ahead and just cut that off. And in the same breath, if you have any excess skin or anything, just bust it off, cut it off nice and clean. So here you have now only the chicken breast, bam bam, and we're gonna cut that in two. We're gonna burst it into two. Well, first let's cut off that excess skin right there, get rid of that, and then now we're gonna cut it in two. Well, he's gonna cut it in two, and he has hands. I don't have hands, so I don't be doing that thing where I hit the knife. No, no ma'am, no sir, I don't do that. I can't. But yeah, bam, and just like that we have two chicken breasts. Two nice, big, fat, luscious chicken breasty breasts. Look at breasts. Come true, breasts, say. Yes, so here we have now the leg quarter. So it has the thigh on it and the leg. And he's going to cut that in two. So here we go again. Joint the chicken. Get in between that nice part right there. Between the bone and that nice gristle flesh right there. And just cut it. So we're doing the other one. So see, he's feeling, yes, and we got it, and bam. Look how easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. And just like that, we have another leg and a thigh. And here we're cutting off those little parts of the wing right there. You cut that off and you can boil those, put those in, soup, make chicken broth or anything, right? So yeah, or throw them away if you do have any use for them. And just like that, we have wings. So here is the chicken back. Look at the chicken back. So we're cutting off the chicken bottom, right? We don't have any use for that. So we throw that away. Here we have some excess skin or fat. Yeah, skin. So cut that off. We don't want that. And this is just the back. Look at the chicken back, right? So he's gonna cut that into two. And Vibes Sam, if you're baking your chicken, you can just put it down, season it up too, and bake it nice, right? Or you can just put that by itself, and then say you cut up another chicken and you add the other back to it and whatever, and so you have chicken back by itself to cook, right? Because some curry chicken back and boiled dumpling, so nice. So here he's just laying out the chicken. So we have two chicken breasts. We have two chicken thighs. Of course, we have two chicken wings. And we have two chicken legs. That's how you buy the chicken when you buy it in the store, right? Yeah, you get 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 legs. So that's what's there. And bam, that's us. We are done. Yeah, vibes fam. Yes, yes, yes. Look at our whole chicken all cut up. This is it. Yes. 2 breasts, 2 thighs, 2 wings, 2 legs, all done. But yeah, thank you so much, Vibes Fam, for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like. Could you please like the video? It helps my channel. Comment, it helps my channel as well. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram, please. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.